In this short video, I'll show you how to make money with WhatsApp channels and take advantage of this unique feature. As more users engage with WhatsApp for communication, channels offer businesses, freelancers, and content creators a great opportunity to monetize their activities. Whether you're wondering if you can earn money from a WhatsApp channel or looking to learn how to monetize a WhatsApp channel, this video will guide you through some effective strategies. Hello, and welcome to the 3 Minutes Fix channel. With years of experience, we've helped countless users navigate similar issues, including how to use WhatsApp to build your online presence. Today, we will dive into the exciting world of WhatsApp channels and explore ways to start earning real money. So if you're ready to unlock the income potential of WhatsApp, you're in the right place. Stay with me to learn how to chat in other languages on WhatsApp. Now, let's get started on how to monetize your WhatsApp channel effectively and start generating revenue. To start, you'll need to build an audience for your WhatsApp channel by consistently sharing valuable content. Once you've gained followers, consider content monetization by offering premium subscriptions where users pay for exclusive content. Fans pay for premium content because they value specialized, exclusive material, and you can take advantage of this by providing unique insights or products. Another popular strategy is affiliate marketing. Promote relevant products and services to your channel members and include affiliate links. Every time someone purchases through your link, you'll earn a commission. Ensure you're transparent about these partnerships to build trust with your audience. Another approach is selling digital products or services. If you have a skill or expertise, you can offer ebooks, online courses, or consultancy services directly to your followers. Before we continue, if you're finding this tutorial helpful, don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more WhatsApp tips. Now, let's continue with how to make money with WhatsApp channels. Dropshipping is also an option. You partner with suppliers, market their products on your channel, and earn a profit margin on each sale without handling inventory. Dropshipping is low risk and you can get started by leveraging your WhatsApp channel to promote products. For creators, you can even generate revenue through donations or crowdfunding from followers who appreciate your content. If you're looking to take it a notch further, consider setting up a membership program where subscribers pay for perks. Consider services like early access to content or charge for sponsored content by collaborating with businesses to promote their products on your channel. While growing your channel is a game changer, how do you hope to communicate with your fans who speak other languages different from yours? No worries. In this video linked here, I'll walk you through the easy steps to chat on WhatsApp in other languages. Tap to watch it after this. To explore more helpful video tutorials, check the description below and subscribe to our channel. If you have a question or need more help, leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist. For more WhatsApp video tutorials, click this card. Thank you for tuning in.